Chicken tikka masala is creamy, delicious chicken cooked in very flavorful tomato sauce, which is cooked with very warm and flavorful spices. The chicken turns out very tender and juicy, and it's coated with all those lovely warm spices, making the dish perfect as a side dish. So hope you'll be trying out this recipe. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for this recipe. So over here I have my clean chicken breast, which I'm going to be slicing into bite-sized pieces. So using a sharp knife, you're going to cut the breast in the middle, and then you're going to cube your meat, which is going to be very easy because you're using a very sharp knife. And for this recipe, you're going to be using boneless chicken. You can use chicken breast or deboned chicken thighs, which are going to be very juicy. And once you're done, it's time to marinate your chicken breast. So I'm going to place my chopping board aside, and in your bowl you're going to be adding in a couple of spices which are going to be very basic. For example, I'm going to be adding in several spices. Actually, there are 3 spices. So I'm going to be adding in some paprika, cumin powder, and garam masala, which is a combination of several spices, and they are warm and very flavorful. So you're going to add the spices in your bowl. For the marinade, I'm going to be using half of the crushed garlic and ginger. Add in yogurt and salt. Make sure to massage in all the lovely warm spices, yogurt, crushed garlic and ginger together with salt into the chicken. And once coated, you're going to let this marinate for around 15 to 30 minutes before cooking. Or if you have time, you can let the chicken marinate overnight, and it's going to soak in all those nice spices, and it's going to turn out very delicious. As your chicken is marinating, you're going to be prepping ingredients for your sauce, which are going to be very basic ingredients. So you're going to prep up 1 large onion, some crushed garlic and ginger, which I've already used half for marinating the chicken. Also, you're going to be grating some tomatoes. I have grated around 3 large tomatoes over here, and some coriander to garnish your delicious chicken tikka masala. Over medium heat, you're going to place a cast iron pan or a non-stick pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to get hot. Once the oil is hot, you're going to fry your chicken in batches. Once the chicken has a very nice sear, you're going to transfer to a plate, and then you're going to add in the rest of the chicken. The kitchen is smelling incredible, so I'm going to add in my next round of chicken into the pan and sear for around a minute while I flip so that all sides can have that lovely char on them. My next round of chicken is ready, and remember the chicken is not yet fully cooked. We have just added in a very nice smoky flavor to the chicken since we are searing. So I'm going to transfer to my plate. And then in the same pan, I'm going to be frying my onions. in the same oil that I used to sear my chicken, and the oil is full of flavors since I added some spices and also some garlic and ginger into the chicken. All this found on the bottom of my cast iron pan is flavor, so please don't wash your pan. Just add in your onions and saute for around a minute to a minute and a half until the onions have a very nice golden brown color. Wow, this is smelling so nice since I added in my onions into the pan. Add in my crushed garlic and ginger at this point and stir in and cook for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger have a very nice golden brown color, or until the garlic and ginger raw smell is gone. I wish you could be in my kitchen right now because the kitchen is smelling so nice, since you can catch some lovely spices and also the chicken flavor. When the onions have softened up and looking very nice and delicious, you're going to be adding in your tomatoes and tomato paste, which are going to add in lots of flavor to our chicken masala recipe. Stir in your tomatoes. Then next we're going to be adding in some more spices. So I have some coriander powder, some paprika, garam masala, and cumin powder. Stir in. Add in some sugar, that is half a teaspoon of sugar, and salt to fully season my chicken tikka. Stir in the salt and sugar into the pot, into the pan. Adding sugar to the sauce is going to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes, and the salt is to fully season my chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala is heavy on spices, so you're going to check the description box for the full recipe. And trust me, you're going to love the outcome. My tomato sauce is looking very delicious at this point. So I'm going to be adding in a splash of water and add back my chicken so that the chicken can fully cook and soak in all those nice flavors and aromas. After cooking your chicken tikka for around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame, this is how your chicken should be looking like, and the sauce has thickened up. The chicken is looking very delicious and flavorful. So at this point, I'm going to be adding in some more yogurt to make the chicken tikka very creamy. Stir in the yogurt. After 2 minutes, you're going to garnish with coriander. Stir in your coriander into the chicken tikka, and the dish is cooked to perfection, seasoned to perfection, and done. So this is a recipe worth trying because chicken tikka is very versatile. You can serve the chicken with some naan, chapati, rice, mashed potatoes, and it's still going to be very delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy, amazing, and very flavorful chicken tikka masala.